If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Apple Watch Series 4 unboxing. I have been waiting all year for this. After all the rumors, all the leaks, we finally have it in person. So let's go ahead and pull the tab. This actually came in the mail. I actually unboxed the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. If you guys are interested in that unboxing, links are down below. So I've heard that the packaging, that the unboxing experience is different this year. I haven't actually, let's go baby. I haven't actually seen any unboxing videos. I know I just uploaded a video unboxing, and I know a bunch of other YouTubers already uploaded their unboxing. I haven't actually looked on it because I want this unboxing experience and just I want this to be my actual reaction. So I'm so excited. I see that the box is actually kind of smaller than last year. And here we go. We actually get some. What is this? What is this? I have no idea what this is. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So I got the gold stainless steel case with the stone sport band. So oh no, never mind. We get this thing. We don't even need a knife. I like using knives, but I guess we don't really need to use that. So let's go ahead and peel that off. Never mind. That wasn't as I expected. So how do you open this? How do you open this? This is new. This feels like a box. Okay. Okay. I broke it a little bit. Guess you do. Whoa! Whoa! Well, look at that. Okay, that is really cool. Whoa! Okay, this is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that. What the heck? So this here, what they did is they actually separated the actual watch from the actual band, which is interesting. I actually like that. I just love this artwork. It's absolutely beautiful. We've got a bunch of Apple Watch combinations. I'm surprised, Apple. I am surprised. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and first unbox the Apple Watch band. This is the stone sport band. I honestly really like the gold and white sport band combo, but of course that wasn't available. Here we go. This is the Apple Watch. Hey, and we've got some other artwork here, which is pretty cool. We've got the Apple Watch Series 4 heart rate sensor over there. And here we go. We've got the small and large Apple Watch band. I am, of course, a small, so let me go ahead and peel that off. Let's go ahead and go to the Apple Watch. Let's go. So much time waiting for this moment. So many leaks, as I said, so many rumors, and we finally have it here. Of course, the Apple Watch Series 4 comes in 40 millimeters this year and 44 millimeters. Whoa! Look at this. We've got a little casing for the Apple Watch. Come on, this is so Apple. I feel like Johnny Ive purely designed this box. Absolutely beautiful. The paperwork fits so well. And here we go. Some paperwork explaining you how to launch the Apple Watch and how to actually pair it. We've got the new watch face over there. Of course, we've got the power brick. We've got the charger. And let's go ahead and peel this absolute beauty. I love this new case. And it says, I don't know if you guys can see this. It says 44 millimeter engraved. It says 44 millimeter engraved in the actual casing. I love this tiny case. I feel like it's going to be perfect for traveling. Anyways, let's go ahead and peel this guy off. Okay, so I actually went today to the Apple store and I actually saw the Apple Watch Series 4. I didn't look too much into it because I didn't want to spoil this moment. This guy is really round. That's all I can say. And whoa, okay, so there's the ceramic back. This is actually the back of the Apple Watch. It's made out of ceramic. This thing is a beauty. Let's go ahead and launch it. This is the new digital crown, which kind of has a red arrow. It looks really good. The new button over there, new microphones, new speakers. This is the best upgrade that the Apple Watch has ever come out with. Amazing. I am so excited to try this out. The review of the Apple Watch Series 4 will be probably coming next week. I hate people who do reviews as soon as a product actually comes out. I actually want to test out the product. I actually want to test it out. I just don't just want to make the review. Okay, so it's ready to be paired. Let's go ahead and put the Apple Watch band on. There you go, and it looks just like that. So this is a quick size comparison. This is my 42 millimeter Apple Watch against the 44 millimeter Apple Watch. So the size difference is definitely, it's not that big, but it's definitely much larger. And of course, with the edge-to-edge display, it's much larger. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4. If you guys enjoyed this video, of course, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, why not hit this button right here, because it's free and we do a lot of Apple stuff in this channel. So yeah guys, if you guys actually want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
What?